Hello guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video we'll be doing a short review on this JBL GO 2 portable speaker. So let's get started. Here is our speaker. As you can see, it looks very handy. It also comes in black color. Now the thing is very sturdy, very hard. Now at the top we get some buttons. The first one is the power on off button, second one is the Bluetooth pairing button, third and fourth is the volume decrease and increase buttons respectively, and the fifth button is used to resume and pause videos and also to answer or reject calls while paired with Bluetooth. Now at the right hand side we get the charging port as well as a 3.5mm audio hole port. So if you are not interested to listen any audio or video via Bluetooth, then you can separately buy a 3.5mm to 3.5mm female audio converter. And in the charging port we get a charger for free. It has provided the charger with it. Now here is our charger. You will need to simply plug it in, and this one will be in your power adapter. Now let me quickly show you the audio quality with the aux cable. As you know how to pair with Bluetooth, so I am not showing you with Bluetooth. You simply need to enable Bluetooth in your device, and here you also need to enable Bluetooth. Then you will get JBL GO 2. Then simply click on connect. It will be connected automatically. So okay, I have bought a separate aux cable. As you can see, it's 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack converter. Now let me quickly plug it on. So okay, so let me quickly enable it. As you can see, it has been enabled now. Now let me quickly show you the audio quality. I am playing my channel trailer on this one. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Gadget 123456. I produce some reviews and explain the detailed features of the gadgets. If you are a tech lover, then reach out to me at Knowledge Gadget 123456. Subscribe now. So yes, as you can see, the sound quality is enough good and the bass is beautiful. It's unexplainable. The bass is so good. I haven't expected. And when you will charge it, here you will see a red light. So okay guys, this was the short review on this JBL GO 2 portable speaker. So thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.